Welcome to 168 Pinkerton Corner in the exclusive, gated Butler Mountain Estates. Talk about a breathtaking entrance. We're nestled here among the Blue Ridge Mountains with a front row seat to magical, uninterrupted long-range views surrounded in nature, peace, and tranquility. You're going to find yourself falling in love with this one-of-a-kind, well-scaled masterpiece for all of its comfort, style, and grandeur. This gorgeous home was created by renowned architect Michael McDonough. You're going to instantly appreciate his intentional design integration with outside nature. The hand-peeled locust and poplar logs were sensibly harvested from the surrounding properties as a responsible design solution. The architectural expression of this home continues inside with its impressive, large, open-plan living space. As you can see, the great room feels like an intimate lodge, dominated by the dramatic stone fireplace, the tongue-and-groove wood ceiling, and the locust beams, such a stunning statement feature. One of the most notable design features in this amazing home, for me, is that all the primary spaces have western-facing views toward Mount Pisgah. The breakfast room was purposely located in the southeast corner of the house to take in the morning light, the sounds of the creek, and the views of the koi pond. It flows right into the kitchen on the same side of the house where it's filled with tons of natural light and open to the great room. I love how the fireside lounge opens out to the private back terrace for unforgettable dining al fresco. Think about the incredible experience you'll create for your guests. The owner's ensuite on the main level has a wonderful full-width design with terrific light and flow. One side was designed to capture the sounds of the creek, and the other side to take in the far-reaching views. My favorite part? This marvelous private owner's terrace with outdoor shower, and no one can see you. A second bedroom or office space on the main is deliberately located at the front of the house to overlook the creek. Look at this sensational lower-level family room with its own intimate entertaining space. Full bar, cozy fireplace. The walkout patio invites you to take a stroll into the backyard. And an excellent added feature is that it has access to the upper-level terrace. The bedrooms and bath on this lower level are spacious and inviting. There's also the convenience of an added bonus room for a home gym, an office, or even an art studio. In addition to the two-car garage in the main house, all my car enthusiasts will appreciate the detached garage my owners built for their sports car collection. Take a few steps out your front door and you'll approach the entrance to the Butler Mountain Bald. A 5-acre recreational retreat at the very top of the mountain offers panoramic views, walking trails, a fire pit, and picnic table, all inviting you to gather with family and friends where you'll feel like you can reach up and touch the stars. It really is an exceptional, memorable experience spending time in this extraordinary home, and it can be yours. Let's get in touch.